Hi all, welcome to misy 3395. I will talk to you. This is basically an introduction session, so I will talk to you about the different aspects of this course, and also I will discuss the syllabus with you. Okay. This is when you log into Blackboard. This is where you come, and this is the home page. Okay. From here, you can see in the syllabus. When you click on the syllabus, you will see the syllabus for the course here, and these are the contents. So if you look at all these folders, you need to spend some time understanding where the materials have been stored and what are the different things that you have to look for. Okay, the book slides, the PowerPoint slides from each chapter of the book, they are here. You can see I have loaded chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Those are the chapters that we would be covering. These are the PowerPoint slides for each chapter. Okay. Now you will see the chapter study guides. These study guides I have prepared for you so that you can concentrate on the topics that I would be covering from each chapter. So these are the study guides. So study guide for chapter 1, if you click on that, you will see that I have prepared a document, a Word document, emphasizing the topics and the key terms that you would need to study from each chapter. Okay, so these are the study guides which have been prepared by me. Now go back to Blackboard, go back to content. These are the lecture videos. I have made videos for each chapter, okay, from the book. So the chapters that we would be covering. So this is the lecture video on chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These are YouTube videos. If you can't get into this from the Blackboard shell, you can copy the link and paste it in your browser and watch it. These are YouTube videos available to everybody. Okay. Okay, now these are assignments. Okay, these are assignments for on the book chapters. Okay, these are assignments on the book chapters. So assignments are here. Review for exams. There would be 2 exams. The reviews are here. I will go over the syllabus in a while. I just want you to look at all the folders that I have stored in the content page. This is SAP Access. One is the SAP logins I have given you and how to set up the portal that is here. Okay, if you do not have a SAP GUI disk, take it from room 214. Okay, you need to take that CD from room 214. If you have taken 1373 or if you have taken 3310 before, you should have the SAP GUI in your computer and you can just configure it on the one that you have. But for any SAP related client questions, go to room 214 in Galloway building, the business building. Okay. Before I talk about the SAP things, let me get into the syllabus. Okay, let me get into the syllabus. So this is the syllabus for the class misy 3395. My office is in room number, okay, by the way, my name is Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay. As you see, I have a long last name. My students, they generally call me Dr. B, so you can call me Dr. B. My office is 237, the business building. My phone number is 880-8627. Okay, always use Blackboard for any course related communication. Do not use any other email. Use the Blackboard email, even though I have given you my alternative email, but do not use it for course related inquiries. Always use Blackboard. My office hours, Monday through Thursday, will be from 12 to 1. Okay, Monday through Thursday 12 to 1. Any other time I will be available by appointment, and between 12 and 1 I would be available online, and I have given you the link, so you click on that link and then you can log in and you can see me and hear me from there. how would this course be conducted? This course is asynchronous. That means that, we will all be online but not at the same time. Even though if you want to talk to me, chat with me, you can be online between 12 and 1, and then you can see me, you can hear me, you can talk to me, you can chat with me. Other times you will email me and I would reply. The assignments, the lecture videos, the walkthrough of assignments, everything is posted online, so you can access things from the Blackboard shell. What is this course all about? The course objective. The course introduces you to the theory and practice of conducting business over the internet. Okay, the key business and technology elements of electronic commerce are covered, and half of the course is on SAP enterprise portals. Okay, and we will use SAP NetWeaver and SAP Visual Composer in this class. So half of the class, 50% of the class is SAP. Learning outcomes. You will be familiar with the concepts of electronic commerce. You will have knowledge about technology infrastructure of electronic commerce. You will have knowledge about business strategies for electronic commerce. You will have knowledge about the technologies such as web server hardware and software, electronic commerce software, security, payment systems. Also, you will develop skills in SAP NetWeaver and SAP Visual Composer. And this is one of the 3 courses that you can take for getting a recognition certificate from the Department of ISA that you have, completed such and such so many hours in SAP. Drop and withdraw date, you can check it yourself that June 13 is the last date to receive a Q or W even if you are failing, and last day to drop with a grade is June 23rd. Okay. Teaching materials is Electronic Commerce 9th edition by Gary Schneider, and I've given you the ISBN for the class. For the book, class notes, everything is Blackboard, so you can get into Blackboard and see. And to see me online, you have to click on the link, that Adobe Connect link that I have given you here. So recommended software is Enterprise Portal, SAP, and SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer. You can get a CD of SAP from room 214. Okay, so you come to room 214 and you can get a CD of SAP. You have to install that, and then you have to set up your server, and then it should work from your own computer, or you can come to lab 109 and do your work from there. There will be 2 exams. Both exams are accessed through Blackboard. The content will be derived from the course material. Makeup exams will be given under extreme circumstances with verifiable written excuse, and I reserve the right to determine what is a valid reason for a makeup test. Okay, all assignments and tests to be taken on time. Late assignments will not be accepted. Assignment instructions are in Blackboard, and you have to turn in your assignments using Blackboard. This is your grading. Exam 1 25 points, exam 2 25 points, SAP assignments 300 points, and other assignments, non-SAP assignments 200 points. So the total points for this class is 550. So if you make 495, that is 90% and above, that is your grade A. If you make 80% and above, that is 440 and above, that is grade B, so on and so forth. 70% is C, 60% is D, below 60 is below 330. Computer requirements, you should have, either you can use lab 109, or you need to have a computer with broadband access, and you need to load SAP GUI in that also. Other than SAP, we don't use any other, other than Word documents, Word, I don't think we need anything else. Okay, so for Blackboard, anything related to Blackboard, your Blackboard, you cannot log into Blackboard, your Blackboard is giving you trouble, you need to contact the distance ed number at 880-7849. Okay, SAP help. if you have any problem in installing the SAP GUI, okay, the SAP client. If you do not have the client, you need to take it from Miss Liz Simmons at 214 GB. Please understand that I have 40 students in this class, and so it will be a busy summer for me, and I won't be able to handle all your questions. I would try my best, but still I won't be able to handle, because SAP is step by step, and many times different people will be stopped at different steps, and in order to figure out what has gone wrong, I have to spend hours on each student. So you need to take from Miss Liz Simmons also. Miss Liz Simmons is our SAP help desk. She is the SAP coordinator. She is very knowledgeable and she can help you with SAP. So if I am busy and I am not able to, accommodate you for that particular time, you need to talk to Miss Liz Simmons also. And her office hours is 9:45 to 1:30, Monday to Thursday, and on Friday I think she works till 12:30. Also there will be another MIS senior, Melissa Kirkland. She is going to help you out with your SAP assignments also, and I will post her office hours when she gives me that. Okay, now this is an online class, and it's very important that you submit your own file. Every time I check a grade an assignment, I look at the properties and make sure that you have submitted only your file. If you submit anybody else's file, immediately I will be able to find it out and you will be in trouble. Okay, so please do not submit anybody else's work. Do your own work. You have come here to learn SAP, learn e-commerce, and try your best to learn as much as you can. Submitting anybody else's work will give you a 0 for that particular assignment, and if you repeat that, you can make an F in the class. Okay. Course attendance, you are expected to check your emails, to participate in Blackboard all the time, and if you decide that you don't want to continue with this class, it is your responsibility to drop the class. I will not drop you from the course, but I will just give you an F at the end of the semester if I don't see you in class. Okay, this is my tentative course schedule. Even though I say tentative, but I stick with it pretty rigidly. Okay, so Thursday, June 2, you are supposed to look at chapter 1 study guide, and you are supposed to work on your assignment 1. Okay, and chapter 2, where is your assignment 1? I will show you your assignment 1. Your assignment 1 is here. See, assignment drop box. I have differentiated between assignment and SAP assignment. Okay, assignment means non-SAP assignments, and if it is an SAP assignment, I'll mention it as SAP assignment. So this is your assignment drop box. So if you click on the assignment drop box, you will see this is your assignment 1. So you have to click on here. I've given you the assignment 1, and you have to submit it from here. Okay, so you will click on assignment 1. You will download assignment 1 file and the other file which you will need for assignment 1, and then you browse your computer and you submit your file, and that is your submission of assignment 1. And assignment 1 due date is June 3. Okay, so this is your, these are your assignment drop boxes. Okay, so going back to my syllabus, so you will see that on June 3 assignment 1 is due. Similarly, assignment 2 is due on June 6, 3 is due on June 7, so on and so forth. Remember that in summer, what basically in a regular semester what we do is we finish we have 15 weeks of class and we have 3 hours every week, so it's like 45 hours. Now here in summer we have 5 weeks and we have to cover 45 hours of work. So basically I gave you some work each day. Okay, and I gave you some work each day, and the time you have to spend will not be more than the time you would be spending in a regular face-to-face class. Okay, so you are spending the same time as you would have spent in a face-to-face class, but you would be doing it online. So this is my tentative schedule. So chapters 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be your exam 1, and then exam 2 will be your chapters 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, I believe, yeah, 8, 9, 10 and 11 will be your exam 2. After exam 2 on June 20, we will start our assignments on SAP, and these are all the assignments that you have to do. Where are the SAP assignments? I wanted to show you. Remember that assignment is just assignment, and SAP assignments are here. So far there will be 12 assignments. So far I have only uploaded 4 assignments, but before you get into SAP, I will complete loading all the SAP assignments. Okay, I'm working on them, so I will be loading all the SAP assignments before you start SAP. Okay, actually much before that, and then I will create the assignments here, SAP assignment Dropbox. For you to submit assignments, you have to get in here. It's not yet completed. Okay, I'm working on the SAP assignments now, and then you will see SAP assignment videos. For each assignment, I have worked through the assignment and I have videotaped that. So you will see the SAP assignment videos from here. So what I would suggest is, please, each of you spend some time in figuring out what is already there available for you. Before you start asking questions, you need to look at Blackboard and look at all the things that are given to you. Okay, these are your SAP PowerPoint slides. Okay, so this is for SAP NetWeaver, and then I have Visual Composer also here. And the Visual Composer files are here. Okay, so okay, once again, I would like each of you on the very first day to look at all the folders and see what are the different things that I have given you. Okay, and read through each of them, see what are how I have organized. Okay, that's very important. In an online course, you have to be organized. You need to know where the things are. So these are the book chapters, these are the study guides, these are the lecture videos, these are the non-SAP assignment, this is review for exams, this is how to access SAP, these are the SAP Enterprise Portal PowerPoint slides, this is SAP Visual Composer PowerPoint slides, these are your SAP assignments, these are your SAP assignment videos, these are your non-SAP assignment Dropbox, and these are your SAP assignment Dropbox. Okay, so once again, I hope to have a very productive semester with you all. If you have questions, feel free to come online and ask me questions, or you can even email me, and I am pretty good with email. Okay, so hopefully we will have a good time together and you would learn a lot from this course. Okay.